Hey everybody, Nakul from Skills Academy of English. Today we will understand the differences between let, let's, let's and let us. Even native speakers have a lot of confusion in these words. So today here I am giving you complete insights about the differences between these four, when to use them, how to use them, what they are, in what scenario you can actually use them. So before we begin, if you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button for the future notifications. Here we go, I'm just sharing my screen. Let's start. So the differences between let, let's. The third one is also pronounced as let's, but it is let apostrophe s. And the fourth one is let us. Alright, so let, like any other verb, this is also a verb. I want to eat this mango. Eat is a verb. He eats this mango, or they eat this mango. He, let me do it. So let is a normal verb which means to grant a permission, allow someone to do something, correct? So here if you just have a look at these sentences, I will let him pay money for this. I will do, I will eat, I will sing, I will let, I will hit, I'll write, I'll talk. Hope you are getting it. Let me know if you need anything. They will kill him, they will let him do the work. So it's a normal verb where you use the verb let as any other verb. That's the first usage of the let, the word let. But when you talk about this lets, people get confused here. Lets is used for a third person singular. Just like, pay more attention, just like, see this word eats, he eats mangoes. The same way, if you write the word eat, it's they eat mango. The one difference you find here is eats and eat. The only difference is eats is used for third person singular. He, she, it. He eats, she eats, it eats, it. Something of that sort. So what I'm talking about is in the present tense third person singular, the verb will have s in it. Same way, the let is a verb. Let's is a verb for a third person singular. Let's is the third person singular form of the verb let. It is used when referring to a subject, usually a third person singular noun. So he lets his dog roam freely. If it is they let the dog roam freely. I let my dog. He lets his dog. So now let's is for he, she, it, or any other third person. Computers let you do this. Computer lets you do this. So let and let's both are verb only. Let is a normal verb. Let's is a third person singular form of the verb. Hope it is clear. Now we quickly go to let apostrophe s and let us. Remember this concept. See, apostrophe is used in two different ways. One of the ways is possession. David apostrophe s car means car is possessed by David. There's one more way where apostrophes are used, that's called contractions. Just look at this word. Don't. You would have known this word, right? Don't, DYN apostrophe T. This is not a possession. This is contraction, means short form. David apostrophe is a possession. The apostrophe here also apostrophe, but in two different ways. First way is a possession, car is possessed by David. Here don't is a short form of do not. His, he is. He apostrophe is a short form of he is. They are. THEY apostrophe RE is a short form of they are. Don't, DYN apostrophe, it is a short form of do not, wouldn't, would not, shouldn't, should not. Getting it the same way, LET apostrophe S is a short form of let us. Let us all come together and do it. Let's do it tomorrow. Let us do it tomorrow. Both are same. Let us, let's. LET apostrophe S is a short form of let us. Hope you are getting it. Let's eat this mango or let us eat this mango. Both are same. Let's solve this problem together. Let us solve this problem together. Both are same. Then when is the problem starts happening? When you start writing LETS solve the problem together. That's wrong. LETS is a verb. LET apostrophe S is a short form for let us. Let us do it. LETS is he lets me do it. He eats this mango. He lets me do it. So that is a verb. Let us, let's. LET apostrophe S is a short form of let us. Where people get confused between these two. LET apostrophe S and LET apostrophe S. They use this interchangeably. LET apostrophe S is a contraction, means short form for let space us. LETS is like eats. Remember this. LET is like eat. Remember this. If you want more clarification, I can join our online grammar course where we have More exercises, more information on this as well. Think about it. Alright, so we have complete understanding of let's LDT apostrophe S and let's take a small quiz. So how the quiz goes, I'm going to show you a question. I'm going to give you like 10 seconds. Do it and then I'll explain what is the correct answer. Dash go out for dinner. So it's let us go out for dinner. This is wrong, this and this. Both are same. So if one of them is the answer, means both of them are the answers. You can either put C or D. Both of it will go good for the first blank. Let us go out for dinner or let's go out for dinner. LET apostrophe S or LET space US. Second one, he always dash his sister, uses car. He is giving her permission, so it's a verb. So now it should be either let or let's, but it's third person singular. The answer would be LET apostrophe S is wrong, sorry, LETS. B is the correct answer. He lets his sister use his car. This and this both are same. They cannot come here. Let cannot come here. It's a third person singular. Let's. If he instead of he, if they is written, then you're gonna use they always let. He always lets. Hope it is clear. Hope it is clear. Third one, take your time and solve it. Let us clean the house together. So answer has to be C or D. Both is the correct answer. Let us clean the house together or let's clean the house together. That's about the third one. The fourth and fifth, I'll give you 10 seconds to do it. Do it fast. Remember this. Okay, I'll just give you some more time. I think the time is fine. Could, after could, always verb 1 will come. Remember this. I could eat is wrong. He could eat is wrong. He could eat. Hope you are getting it. So could you please let me borrow your pen? That's another grammar shortcut rule. The teacher is a noun. A verb has to come. Teacher is third person singular. The teacher eats something. The teacher lets someone. Lets is the correct answer. Hope you are getting it. So fourth is let, fifth is B, let's, not these two or not even A. Hope this session helped you. Hope you found this session really nice, really informative. With this, I'm going to park it here. This is Nakul signing off from Skills Academy of English. Very soon I'll be back with the next set of videos. Hold on, if you have not watched my previous set of videos on tenses, how to understand nouns, verbs, adjectives or adverbs, the video is somewhere here booming. You can have a look at it. You will have amazing information about these two: tenses, nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs. Very soon I'll see you all. Till then, take care. Bye bye. If not subscribed to this channel, click on the subscribe button for the future notifications. Bye bye.